Hello everyone, Tom Dowling, LensCaptureOnline. Hey, thanks for joining me. I wanted to take a moment to wish everybody a happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. I hope the New Year brings you nothing but success, happiness, and health for you and your families. I'm out here with my gorgeous wife, Roz. We're just enjoying wonderful weather, and it's 65 degrees. Why am I wearing this vest? Well, I guess being from southern Nevada now, whenever the temperature drops below 90 degrees, we get chilly. I just want to take another moment to say thank you to everybody, everyone who joined us at the Las Vegas drone meetup, all the fans that have been very supportive online. I thank you, and I can't wait to get together soon. I'll be attending the South Florida drone meetup in the spring and looking forward to getting together and flying and socializing with everyone. So again, I wish everybody all the best. Happy holidays to you and your families. Thank you.